kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
It's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious, mouth-watering recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Cajun jerk chicken creamy pasta. Yes, I'm telling you, this right here are gonna be super delicious. Your families, your friends, everybody are gonna enjoy it. Trust me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. Now keep it to yourself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive more amazing, delicious recipe like these. Okay, thank you all so much for all your love and your support. Stay tuned. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It is from Jeremiah 17 verse 7. So this is the word of the Lord. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. Stay blessed. Guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least 4 chicken breasts. I also have just a small amount of my scallion and at least 1 teaspoon of my fresh thyme leaf of onion that I finely chopped garlic. This is at least 4 cloves of my garlic, my wet jerk seasoning, and this is over 1 tablespoon. Don't want to add too much. This is my pasta right here. Parmesan cheese. You can use, you know, as much as you like. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of my ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of my paprika, 1 to 2 teaspoons of my paprika, and I'm also gonna add some onion powder and at least 1 to 2 teaspoons. Okay, and this is my heavy cream, guys, and this is at least 4 cups. Okay, yes, this is just gonna make it be super creamy and so tasty, especially with the Parmesan cheese. Trust me, this recipe right here are gonna be so mouth-watering. It's gonna be a must try. And guys, my pasta, I'm using 500 grams. Okay, yes, you can use as much as you like. It all depends, you know, how many people you're feeding. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna quickly flatten my chicken breast, and this just gonna allow it, you know, not to be, you know, so dry. I'm gonna use one of these meat hammer. So it is all flat. So this is exactly what you want. See, it is not as thick. So you know, this way it will be super juicy. Yeah, perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna quickly season my chicken breast. So I wash it in some lemon juice. So firstly, I'm just gonna add just a little bit of my oil just to allow it to be, you know, nice and juicy. Then my seasoning, just gonna mix it all in. Does have to be, you know, perfect. I'm gonna leave back a little bit of my seasoning for my, you know, creamy sauce, at least this amount. Then I'm gonna add my wet jerk seasoning. Browning. This is just gonna give it a nice, you know, brown color. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Try not to add too much. If you don't have browning, you can also use dark soya. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. Make sure that all the chicken is all covered in the seasoning. Guys, it smells so good already. Smells real good. It is all seasoning, and it is seasoned to perfection. Look at that. See the seasoning? It's stick on the chicken. That's exactly what you want. Perfect. So good, and it's not even cooked yet. You can also leave it to marinate for at least 10 minutes or so. But as I always said, once you season your meat properly, it will still be delicious. Still. So guys, now I'm gonna fry my chicken breast, and I'm gonna fry it for at least 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So what I did, as you can see, my pot is on my stove, and I just add at least 3 to 4 tablespoons of my olive oil. Now I'm gonna add my chicken breast. I'm just gonna add 2. These are just some little pieces that break off the chicken. So I just add it. So now guys, I'm gonna turn my chicken breast. Look at that color. Nice and brown. So guys, now I'm gonna remove my chicken breast from my pot. Look at that. Perfect. Put it to a plate. It looks so nice and so juicy. Perfect. So I'm gonna add my remaining chicken breast. So now I'm just gonna turn these ones. Perfect.
For more of these delicious recipes, hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing.
So guys, now I'm gonna make my sauce. So this is the same pot that I use to fry my chicken. So to my pot, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my onions. My stove is on a low heat, okay? You're just gonna allow it to saute for at least 15 seconds, okay? 15 to 20 seconds. Then after 15 seconds or so, I'm gonna add my garlic. Just gonna leave it for another 15 seconds, okay? Then after 15 seconds or so, I'm adding my fresh thyme. Give it a stir. Guys, it smells so good. So guys, this is my remaining seasoning that leave back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 4 tablespoons of my water to it. That's it. I'm gonna give it a stir. And now I'm just gonna add it to my pot like so. Mix it in. Just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna add my heavy cream, okay? Just come to a boil. So now I'm gonna add my heavy cream. You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any more seasoning, you can always add, okay? And now guys, I'm just gonna add my Parmesan cheese. So I'm just gonna grate it. As I said, you can use, add as much as you like. The Parmesan cheese is gonna add a lot of flavor. I love using Parmesan cheese with my pasta. If you don't have Parmesan cheese, guys, you can just use, any cheese to your liking, okay? That's it. I add at least over 3 tablespoons of my Parmesan cheese. Just gonna give it a stir. Now guys, I'm gonna cook my pasta. I'm just gonna cook it for at least 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Try not to overcook it. Just look on the package and see, how long yours take. So I'm gonna add some water from my kettle because I want it to cook quick.
Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking.
I'm gonna add some salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna off cover it so it doesn't boil over. So guys, my sauce has simmered down nicely. So now I'm gonna add my pasta. Make sure that you remove all the water.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen. Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
You want to make sure that it is all combined. So guys, some of my chicken, I'm just gonna cut up some of it, not all. Like so. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna add all that chicken that I cut. Let's give it a stir. Guys, it looks so good. Absolutely delicious. So nice and so creamy. Perfect. So guys, as you can see, I have my plate, so I'm just gonna plate it up. Look at that, absolutely delicious. It is cooked to perfection. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. It is a must try. I just taste some and trust me, it tastes real good, guys, full of so much flavor. If I go to a restaurant, I know that I will definitely order this recipe. So guys, with my chicken, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it. The chicken, guys, it's so juicy. Now guys, I'm just gonna add my chicken and my pasta like so. This looks so good.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a star.
I'm just gonna finish it off with my scallion. And this is it, guys. This is how I make my Cajun jerk chicken pasta. If you try it, please, as I said, comment below and tell me what it's like. It is cooked to perfection. If I go to a restaurant, I know that I will definitely order this. Look at it. Beautiful. Absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So good. So guys, if you try this recipe, please don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I'm telling you, this recipe right here, it is a must try. It is cooked to perfection. The flavor is everything. Please guys, don't forget also to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. Now keep it to yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Love you all.